what's up, everybody? DJ Ron Mechanic here, back with another video, y'all. So, hey, look, today is the day we come to pick up our Chrysler 300. Yeah, we had to put it in the shop, y'all. And what's this right here? Look at that, y'all. I'm just messy today. Yeah, we had to come pick up our Chrysler 300 today. Had a little problem with the OBD2 sensor port, rather, wasn't reading. So they found out the problem. What it was, somehow it was 3 wires that was bad, whatever, that they had to kind of like replace and repin, and they told us everything is working out good. So that's great, man. So now look, that bad boy can pass emissions and we ain't got to worry about it. But yep, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the place. Like I said, right here in Stonecrest, Georgia, y'all, at the Chrysler Jeep place. Yep, look, while I'm waiting on the car to come out and everything, look, show y'all what they got going on out here. Y'all see it got some Challies out here. Y'all see that, y'all see that. We got some 345s right there. Got another 345 RT. Another 345. And see, you got 3 of them in a row there. What are these? Must be the GTs, whatever, or something here. Yep, I like that green. That green popping on there. Another 345. Pretty sure that's a GT. Yeah, they got a good little selection still out here, man. Look, y'all in the market for some trucks now. Look, they got plenty of them out here, and I do mean plenty. Yeah, come on by and get you one of them. That must be a customer car right there. That's a Jeep right there. I wonder, that ain't a track hawk, is it? Nope. Oh man, got the SRT on it. Got them Brembos. Oh, there's somebody on Instagram. Y'all make sure y'all check them out. Oh yeah, yep. That's a SRT on right here. Ooh, damn, buddy, a little rough on the wheels, boy. God, dug it. Yeah. Ooh, look at my bug. My bug clean, ain't it? So anyway, let me go in here and look, let me turn my alarm on right quick. I like that Jeep there. Yep, we're about to go in here and check it out. See what they found out. That white Chrysler over there kind of clean. Well, I like that. Yep. So yeah, we about to go in and see what they tell us. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, look, we got the Chrysler back in business. Yeah, my man Donnie got us straight. It is good to go. So look, y'all need some work done over here at the Chrysler Dodge place in Stonecrest, Georgia. Look, this the man right here.
You see me?
Hey, tell me your info.
Name's Donnie. Courtesy Chrysler, where we're located, service advisor. Stop by, come see me for any of your repairs and needs that you need.
Yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all come through here, because look, he got us straight, man. We had, I don't know how much of a headache trying to get this bad boy here together, so he got us right. We good to go. She running good. So yeah, I'm happy my doggone self. We can get this thing passed.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to hop in my car and ooh, I ain't see this here, man. It's nice right here. Yep. I'm gonna get back with y'all as soon as I get to the car. All right, y'all. I'm in the car heading to the house, waiting on Nancy to come back so we can go ahead and get the Chrysler straight. You know, it's nice that they have a place over here in Conyers, man, where you get everything done at one stop. You know, you ain't gotta go to 2 different buildings at all. I mean, you get your emissions and you get your tag right at the same place. I like that. Yeah, that is a plus now. Boy, cut down on the driving, I tell you that much. Yep. So yeah, we are good, man. Y'all see we got the paper. car is good, finally. Cause shoot, we've been dealing with that issue for about, oh my gosh, I would probably say at least over a year, dealing with that. Cause sometimes that, that car, it would read, and other times it wouldn't. And it was a big headache, to be honest with you. So, I mean, I replaced a few parts on it that needed to be replaced. So, I mean, the car was running good and everything, and it was just that one problem, trying to get it to read. So, but yeah, like I said, they got us straight though, because that was just a little bit something, how should I say it, out of my reach, for dealing with the wire, pretty much, pulling up the diagram for that car and everything. So I didn't have that. So it's all good though. I'm glad that it's working now. And Donnie, he even took a picture on the scanner that they used, to show, confirm that everything was working. So we shouldn't have no problem passing the missions with this bad boy. I am so happy. Good God Almighty. Look at the glass on that car. Damn. Ooh, boy, they put that car through hell, man. Oh my goodness. Yep. So that is it. So this is pretty much, let me see what they say. Fix OBD port terminals. Perform the reset. All perform vehicle reconfig. Perform 3 warm-up cycles. Vehicle is now passing readiness and should be able to pass the mission. Yes. I ain't gonna say this was cheap, y'all. Now, so altogether, this here was like $600. But hey, we had to get it done. So, I mean, look, we ain't complaining. It had to be done. So it is running right. That's great. Yep. Y'all see me in the ride, I normally don't be, catching too many videos while I'm riding and everything, but yeah, this one here, oh my gosh, look. Had to do it, y'all. Been out a little while, look, getting everything situated with the new crib and all that there. Still looking for things, oh my gosh, I still got, look like about 100 boxes to go through. Y'all feel my pain, for all those that are moved, new house and everything. Oh my gosh, it's work, y'all. I would tell you that. But yeah, I just want to, share this little quick video with y'all, showing that we went and picked up the old Chrysler. It's good to go. Thank goodness. So, hey, look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that way you won't miss a video. Right. So, and on top of that, hey, look, y'all, we're on the road to 4K. I think I need about 75 more friends. I think somewhat like that. I think 75 more friends. I'm gonna be at that 4K milestone. Yes, indeed. Appreciate all y'all. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. Tell them come on over and help your boy out now. All right, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and finish concentrating on this road. Ooh, I'm gonna stop at Quick Trip. I'm gonna get me a drink real quick. So look, I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video. Yeah, all right, out of here.